Hello guys, my name is Shubham Singh. So today I'm going to just explore about how to create a blog so that from front end as well as back end we can store the data in our database. So what will we do here? You can see mm, our menu. So this is menu. I have given the name is dummy. So this is our parent menu, and inside that items tab. So when I'm just clicking here on new tab, you can see this is the field. This is our admin grid. So test items, I have given the our title name, and this is, you can see, like ID, title, author, images, status as enable and disable, and action, so that we can edit also. So this is a complete blog. Now we can do all these stuff here, like CRUD operation. So we can just add the item, we can edit item, and we can save the item, and whatever item we have added, then we can fetch inside the grid as well. So now I will show you the what we will do in this whole. So what we will do, all these things, like we can add item. So like I have given some lorem ipsum here, lorem, any image I can choose. So like I will choose this one, status as enable, validation also I have given here. So any kind of text I'm showing here. Now save and continue. When you will save and continue, then in that situation it will save in that page. When I will just save, click on only save, then it will automatically redirect into our this page, admin grid page. So this is our blog. So that is the part of our for backend only, but same scenario we will perform from the front end side also. Now you can see here our localhost m241 dummy index, and one more index we have, but it will not showing because that is the default path, so it has automatically taken. So here also I have given like title, author, content, image option. So I will do from here itself, like Magento explore, author, anything I can give, content, this is just like a description area, and image I will choose this one, and just going to submit. Okay, so your data has been saved. That was the validation process, which I think I have given some our on some jQuery things. So now I will see this data is showing on our grid or not. Great. Now you can see here this item, Magento Explore. This ID is 3. ID is 3, and I have given the author name, image name. So by default status I have given here disabled, edit. So all these things we will perform in our upcoming videos, all these things. So this module is very important for a beginners, as well as if someone has 2 to 3 or 1 to 3 years of experience, that will be a refreshment for them. So please see each and every video. I will actually create a one playlist for that, and accordingly I will add. So actually I have seen so many comments for it, that's why I have just created that video. Okay guys, so next video we will see how to create a custom module from scratch, and do all this stuff parallelly. So follow all these things, and hopefully it will very helpful for you, because as a beginner, yeah, it will covering all area. I mean, like from the front end side, from the back end side, how to deal with database, all the CRUD operation from the back end, from the front end, how to add images, how to add other how to create new table using schemas. Okay, so it will be a very helpful for you, so please watch all the videos in our playlist which I will create, and hopefully it will be very good for you. Thank you so much guys. We will come with a new video. Thank you.